yazi kuyenzeka abantu abakulimazayo ukuthi besheshe bekususe kwi-equation, bekususela ukuthi wena uyakhuluma, ngoba ngale nkathi uvocal abakuthandi uma uvocal ngoba uyashesha ukuba exposer. Bafuna ukuthi kube yibona abazokuhlukumeza bekuphilise kabuhlungu wena ungasho lutho. That is why abantu abacindezela nayo uzobabona uma beseningini bezokucindezela kodwa mawusuwedwa mase bayakubingelela. Akumeleke izinto ey'njalo uyi-entertain. What you do not conquer, you choose. That means if those people always succeed ngey'ndlela zabo ezimbi uzophila kabuhlungu. You must learn to speak up. Speaking up is not wrong because it's only the truth that shall set you free. Ngale nkathi ufuna abantu bekuthande ube yilento abayifunayo, you will always be changing, and changing who you are doesn't make you better, but what makes you stronger is when you stand in your truth.